Heart surgery used to mean a long recovery time, painful scar, and a broken chest bone. But that was yesterday. Today, heart surgery means robotic and minimal invasive heart surgery. Welcome to the today and future of heart surgery. I am Dr. Aditya Kumar Singh, Director Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery in Max Smart Super Specialty Hospital, Saket. I specialize in robotic and minimal invasive heart surgery. Robotic heart surgery is not just about technology, it is about precision, performance, and consistency for every patient. We at MaxSmart use robotic systems to do coronary artery bypass surgery, mitral valve repair and replacements, and hole in the heart or ASD procedures. In robotic heart surgery, the surgeon sits at the robotic console of the robot and views a highly magnified 3D real-time images of the heart, and the robotic system translates the movements of the hands of the surgeon into the precise movements of the robotic instruments inside the chest of the patient, far surpassing the dexterity of human hands. What does this mean? This means less pain to the patient, much smaller scar, much less blood loss, and much faster recovery to the patient. Patient can expect to go home 3 to 4 days after surgery and can return to normal activity within weeks rather than months, which used to happen with normal heart surgery. My most common robotic heart surgery is coronary artery bypass surgery, and in this surgery we use bilateral internal mammary artery most of our patients. Why bilateral mammary artery? Because mammary artery has been shown to give the longest patency and best possible outcome to the patient. So with total arterial bypass, which we do with robotic systems, patient gets the most benefit of cardiac surgery. So with total arterial bypass surgery through robotics, we offer the best possible outcome to the patient. Robotic heart surgery thus gives faster recovery to the patient, less invasive, and early return to work after heart surgery. So if you have been advised heart surgery, do get an opinion from a robotic or minimal invasive heart surgeon and inquire about your queries. Thank you.